and welcome to my latest video. My name is Anita Wong, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can switch on your Instagram notifications. So you'll learn in this video how to switch on notifications from your favorite influencer or a brand that you follow on Instagram or a connection that you have a collaboration with. You'll be able to learn how to turn on their feed post notifications, their story notifications, when they upload a video to Instagram TV, and also when they go live, so you won't miss out on that brilliant live update that they offer. One of the advantages of doing this is so that you don't miss out their precious updates, and that you can go in and comment and like their updates as soon as they've done it, which stands you out from all the other people that are following them. So my name is Anita Wong, and I help entrepreneurs worldwide simplify the tools that they use at their fingertips to enable them to get a much bigger visibility and make a bigger impact on their future clients. So stay tuned for how to turn on the notifications of your Instagram account. Okay, so I've shared my mobile phone screen with you, and I'm going to show you how you can go about switching on those all-important notifications. So this is my account. If you haven't followed me already, please do give me a follow at _Anita_Wong. Okay, so to turn on those all-important notifications, all you have to do is put your finger on the follow button and just keep it there for a couple of seconds. This will activate a pull-up menu where you will be able to alter the notifications of the brand or the influencer's account. So you go to the notifications tab, and as you can see, I've switched on my notifications to follow my own account from my personal account. So I'm just going to go ahead and switch those off for a second. So when you normally pull this up, if you haven't already edited the notification settings, then all you have to do is go ahead and turn on notifications when they upload their posts, turn on notifications for when they upload to their stories, and turn on notifications when they upload to their Instagram TV. Now you can choose which ones you want to be notified for. If the brand or the influencer that you follow uploads to stories a lot, you may want to be notified when they upload to their stories. And the same, if you know that they upload great videos to Instagram TV, then you may want to be notified when they do that. Now, if they are going live a lot, you may want to be notified when they actually go live. And to do that, go ahead and click the live videos button. This is going to give you the option to receive all notifications from their live videos, some notifications, or none at all. So if this brand or influencer goes live a lot and you may not want to hear their lives all the time, you could actually go ahead and switch those off. But if you did want to hear some of them or all of their notifications, you just go ahead and change it by clicking on the circle that you want. Once you've done that, you just go ahead and close that window down. And that's all you have to do to be notified. The account that you're following either posts to their feed, posts to their stories, or uploads a video to their Instagram TV, or goes live inside their Instagram stories. So I hope you found that video useful. Please give me a thumbs up if you've liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell if you'd like notification of when my next video goes live.